Welcome back to Vacationing in Ocean City. For this episode, 2 weeks ago, I went to the new Museum of Ocean City downtown, right below the Belmont Towers, one of our vacation rentals. This is a restored museum that the town of Ocean City and officials have worked very hard to open. They held a press conference with the mayor and all city officials who were a part of getting this museum to open. You can see here the mayor is speaking and hands it over. They were allowing us to walk around the museum and encouraged us to go and check out all of the artifacts and everything that they had found. But first they did their ribbon cutting to celebrate the opening of this historic museum and this big historic moment for all involved. Everyone from the town of Ocean City and all of the officials that helped get this museum open were there to cut the ribbon on camera. The news came out and filmed it and actually wrote some stories on it. It was a really cool experience to funnel through. They will be opening it to the community soon enough, but here is part of the bank. This was an old bank, and these are some of the artifacts that they found. For anyone interested when visiting Ocean City, they should definitely come and look at this new museum that's been restored and go upstairs to the second floor. When I went up, they were still working on putting some of the artifacts out on shelving and organizing, but they had some yearbooks from Ocean City High School. As always, if you're looking for the perfect vacation rental, Central Reservations can help you book that, especially if you're looking to check out the Museum of Ocean City, the new one. We have a ton of rentals close by. Please reach out to us and enjoy the new museum. It's a historic piece, and we can't wait to see you all soon.